Hello everyone, welcome again to this channel. In this tutorial we will learn about our first Java program using NotePad. Before starting this tutorial, let's discuss if you are facing any error like Java is not recognized as an internal or external command, operable program or batch file while executing the Java program. So for that you can find the tutorial link in below description. Now we can start this tutorial. Open NotePad. Write the Java code in the editor. Public class Java world. Public static world main string argument. System.out.println. Welcome to Java world. Please make sure S in the system should be in capital. Now save this file as .java with our class name, and class name here is Java world. So let's save this file. We are saving this file in the desktop. Class name dot Java. Save. Now compile this file. Open CMD. Go to the path where this file is saved, that is on desktop. cd space desktop. Compile the file using command javac space file name. Enter. File is compiled and .class is created. Now that is our .class file. Now run this file using command java space file name. So program is successfully executed, and here is our message, welcome to Java world. So this tutorial completes here. Your like and subscription to this channel would be appreciated. Thank you.